17 cocktails ago, I set myself the rather stupid challenge of trying to create 100 brand new original rum cocktails. Not riffs on classics or originals, but 100 brand new rum cocktails that have never existed before. And I'm filming every single one of those, and here's why. Now, next year in 2027, it's actually my 50th birthday, and I've been thinking over the last few months, like, what can I actually do next year that I would look back on and go, yeah, that was really cool. I'm really proud of that. The holidays and experiences, days out, of course, it goes without saying, but I wanted something tangible, something that I could actually physically hold, or, you know, just have that one big thing that I could kind of go, yes, I did this. So I've decided that next year, 2027, is the year that I finally release my cocktail book. Now, I know to the long-term viewers that watch a lot of my videos, you'll probably be giggling to yourselves because you've heard this before, but this time it will be different. Before, the cocktail book has always been something on top of what I'm already doing. It's on top of filming cocktails. It's on top of my events. It's on top of everything else that I do. And time constraints, as a one-person business, I just never really had time to create and publish and build a cocktail book. But all that is changing because now I'm giving myself 14 months. The whole reason I'm filming every single one of these cocktails is because the vast majority of them will go into that cocktail book. Now, to get 100 cocktails into a cocktail book, I know there are going to be some that don't quite cut it. Probably case in point, the very first cocktail I filmed in this series, the one with Greek yogurt. While I absolutely loved it, I did get quite a few DMs going, what the hell have you done? So there will be a few that don't sort of pass the test or pass the grade, whatever. But actually, to do this, to get 100 cocktails into a cocktail book, I figure that I'm going to have to create at least 150. Now, of course, as a one-man band, you know, business, life could get in the way. There is always a risk that this might not happen. But I figured, giving myself 14 months, bearing in mind that I'm going to be, in the main, producing and putting out 3 new rum cocktails every single week, I figure this time, more than any time in the past that I've tried to write a cocktail book, this time is probably going to be the one that succeeds. Now, as I said, I'm already 17 cocktails in, and while there have been a few wacky ones that a lot of you may not recreate, I would say out of that 17, there are at least 8 that I think deserve to go on any proper tiki bar's cocktail menu. Case in point, I've picked out 3 of my favourites here. The Volcano Punch, which I think was actually last week. The Bittersweet Bloom, again, another one from last week. And the Banana Bay from a few weeks ago. Those 3 cocktails are, in my mind, proper 10 out of 10. Absolutely fantastic rum cocktails. So if I can sort of do a ratio of 8 to 10 in 17 that are top notch, then hopefully these 100 cocktails should be a doddle. Now, if you like the sound of that, but also fancy going deeper with the rum cocktails than just the sort of videos that I put out each week, then I'm relaunching my YouTube membership. Now, going forward, there will now be 2 tiers in my YouTube membership, and I've affectionately called them House Pour and Overproof. Now, in the videos, I do talk about ingredient swaps. So like for like swaps if you haven't got the brands that I've got behind me. But each week in the House Pour tier, you're going to get a little bit of a running commentary of the actual cocktail that I've created. So we're going to take swaps in different directions. We will chat about possibly what I could have included instead, different flavour, something that upon tasting on video that I thought, actually, this might work a little bit better. So from that one cocktail, we might actually be creating 2 or 3 different variations on that, maybe 2 or 3 even brand new cocktails with different ingredient swaps. So that's going to be in the House Pour. Now for the Overproof, tier, this is where it gets a little bit more exciting, because I've noticed now a lot of my older rum content is resurfacing, and a lot of older a lot of the older videos are getting questions all the time. So in the overproof tier, I'm now going to give you exclusive rum based content. I'm talking rum tastings and rum comparisons, you know, comparing like for like. Maybe that will cross over to liqueurs as well. One of the videos that I think would be fun that I've got planned is actually a tasting between Giffard's 2 banana liqueurs and Tempest Fugit, to give you an idea, for those of you that have not tried it, how those 3 liqueurs actually differ. I might even do some of those as a blind tasting, and we probably do some tastings of new ingredients that I get behind the bar. So all that is going into the overproof, with the added bonus of, some of you might have noticed this, each month I'm now also producing a themed PDF cocktail book. The first month I did this was daiquiris, and I gave you, well, that was actually 6 riffs on daiquiris. This month in June, I've actually created an ebook with pina colada riffs. Now, if you're in the overproof tier, you're going to get those free every single month. So that is the mission: 100 brand new rum cocktails for my cocktail book in 2027. If you want to follow along with exclusive content, make sure you do sort of join my membership. Quite budget friendly, I think. But if you're not interested in that, but you still want to see these videos, then make sure you're subscribed to the channel. And talking of the next cocktail, that's on screen right now. So go ahead and dive into that.